On 22nd of April 2026, Saturn will rise in Pisces sign and become powerful. In Vedic astrology, when Saturn rises in Pisces, it tends to bring clarity, discipline, and karmic results in areas ruled by Pisces: spirituality, intuition, healing, and emotional depth. Now, let's know the influence of Saturn on 12 zodiac sign. Aries. Saturn rising in Pisces activate your 12th house, bringing structured progress in foreign connections, spiritual growth, and hidden matters. Career wise, you may find opportunities linked to multinational companies or remote work. Business owners could benefit from overseas clients. Legal matters may resolve quietly in your favor, especially long pending ones. Property matters might involve distant locations or require patience. In marriage, emotional understanding improves, though some distance or introspection may occur. Health wise, focus on sleep and stress management as overthinking may rise. Taurus. For Taurus, this transit influences the 11th house of gains and networking. Career growth looks promising with steady income increments and recognition from senior authorities. Business expansion through collaborations and long-term contracts is likely. Legal matters can turn favorable, especially those involving financial disputes. Property investments may bring gains, particularly through group ventures. Married life improves with shared goals and mutual support. Health remains stable, though attention to diet and lifestyle discipline is essential. Gemini. Saturn impacts your 10th house of career, making this a powerful period for professional stability and recognition. Hard work will finally pay off, possibly leading to promotions or leadership roles. Business owners will see gradual but sustainable growth. Legal matters related to career or authority figures may resolve positively. Property matters, especially related to workplace or commercial assets, may progress. Marriage may require balancing work and personal life. Health demands attention to bones, joints, and posture. Cancer. This transit activates your 9th house, bringing luck through disciplined efforts. Career growth may come via higher education, training, or guidance from mentors. Business prospects improve, especially in teaching, consulting, or travel related sectors. Legal matters tend to resolve in your favor, especially those involving ethics or long standing disputes. Property matters may involve ancestral or distant lands. Marriage life becomes more philosophical and supportive. Health remains good, but avoid overexertion. Leo. Saturn rising in your 8th house signals transformation and hidden gains. Career may involve research, investigation, or behind the scenes work, bringing long term rewards. Business owners should be cautious but can gain through partnerships or joint ventures. Legal matters, especially related to inheritance or insurance, may move toward resolution. Property issues may require patience and documentation. Marriage may go through deep emotional changes but can strengthen over time. Health needs attention, particularly regarding chronic issues or stress. Virgo. This transit influences your 7th house of partnerships. Career growth comes through collaborations, contracts, and teamwork. Business partnerships can flourish if handled with discipline and transparency. Legal matters related to agreements or disputes may resolve favorably. Property dealings with partners or a spouse may progress. Marriage life becomes more serious and committed, though communication must remain clear. Health is generally stable, but avoid overburdening yourself mentally. Libra. Saturn activates your sixth house, bringing success through hard work and perseverance. Career growth comes by overcoming competition and proving your capabilities. Business owners can defeat rivals and stabilize operations. Legal matters, especially disputes or conflicts, are likely to turn in your favor. Property issues involving loans or debts may resolve. Marriage life may require patience due to busy schedules. Health improves if you maintain discipline, particularly in diet and exercise. Scorpio. For Scorpio, this transit influences the fifth house of creativity and intelligence. Career growth may come through innovative ideas and strategic thinking. Business ventures involving creativity, education, or speculation can bring gains. Legal matters related to intellectual property or contracts may resolve positively. Property investments may be beneficial if well researched. Marriage life improves with emotional bonding and possible good news related to children. Health remains stable, though mental stress should be managed. Sagittarius. Saturn impacts your fourth house, focusing on home, property, and inner stability. Career growth may feel slow but steady, with strong foundations being built. Business may involve real estate, agriculture, or home-based ventures. Legal matters related to property or family disputes may move toward resolution. Property acquisition or renovation is likely. Marriage life may involve family responsibilities but strengthens with time. Health requires attention to chest, lungs, and emotional well-being. Capricorn. This transit activates your third house, boosting courage and communication. Career growth comes through networking, skill development, and consistent efforts. Business expansion through marketing, media, or communication channels is favored. Legal matters involving documentation or communication may resolve positively. Property matters may involve short-term investments or relocations. Marriage life improves with better communication. Health remains good, but avoid stress-related issues. Aquarius. Saturn influences your second house of finances and family. Career growth brings financial stability and steady income. Business owners can expect gradual profit accumulation. Legal matters related to finances or family disputes may resolve in your favor. Property investments may yield long-term benefits. Marriage life becomes more stable with focus on shared resources. Health requires attention to diet, throat, and dental care. Pieces. With Saturn rising in your first house, this is a transformative period. Career growth comes with increased responsibility and recognition. Business owners will see long-term stability if they stay disciplined. Legal matters may take time but will ultimately favor fairness. Property matters require patience but can bring solid results. Marriage life may feel serious, demanding maturity and understanding. Health improves with disciplined routines, though stress management is crucial. So overall, Saturn's rise in Pisces emphasizes patience, discipline, and karmic rewards. The benefits come steadily and rather than suddenly, favoring those who stay consistent and grounded. If you want to read the article of this video, do check the website link given in description box. If you are new in this channel, then don't forget to subscribe so as to get the latest astrology updates as soon as it is published. Let's meet in another video. Till then, a very happy and prosperous month ahead.